Happy National Allotment Week, everybody. It's day 2 of National Allotment Week, when we celebrate all the good things about the allotment and encourage more people to get gardening and growing their own produce. Now, the best produce that I find growing on my allotment, if you're a beginner, has to be vegetables like spring onions, beetroot, lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, not possibly a vegetable, a fruit, but yeah, tomatoes, sweet corn, runner beans, peas, radish, all easy vegetables to grow. So if you're a beginner, those are the best ones to grow for vegetable wise. The best fruit that you can grow, well, I got my allotment a while back, and yeah, I grow cooking apples, I grow golden delicious, I've got a different apple variety, what I don't know the variety name of. I've got strawberries, we've got thornless blackberries. If you're wanting to grow blackberries, definitely go for thornless plant. Yes, it'll cost you a bit for the plant, but mine is doing absolutely amazing, which you'll probably see in the videos. We've got strawberries, we've got loganberries, we've got blueberries, we've got gooseberries. Gooseberries are very prickly, so be careful where you plant them because you don't want to thorn yourself like I always do. But yeah, they are some of the best fruit that you can grow down at an allotment. So if you're looking at growing vegetables and fruit, those are the ones that I would go for. Obviously you can grow tougher ones which you can experiment with growing, like cauliflowers are sometimes a struggle. Carrots, I've never had any luck with them, so I can't give any advice on carrots. I'm growing grapes for the first time. I've had the plants in for 3 years, so we may be able to get some grapes off them. We've got some figs growing, so you can always experiment at trying different produce as well. That's the whole thing about growing your own vegetables and fruit, is that about having fun. Yes, you might not get produce, but it's about having fun and enjoying it. Don't be disheartened if something doesn't grow. You can always try again the year after, and it's a fun game to have. And I'll often grow like sunflowers for a little competition with myself to see how tall they can grow. I'll grow pumpkins so that I can see how big they can grow. It's just about having fun. I don't always eat the produce myself, sometimes I give it away, but yeah, it's about having fun yourself and enjoying being out in the allotment. So let me know in the comments what your favourite fruit and vegetables are to grow down at your allotment and get involved. Make sure you share this to allotment groups, give it a like, give it a share, and leave a comment like I said below. And if you're not following us, give us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos coming up this week on National Allotment Week. Have a great day everyone, and remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.